In that, express fourth power minus 3 as the power with the base 2. Now 4 raised to power minus 3 as the power with the base 2. How we will represent? We will write 4 like that, 2 into 2. We will express these as the base with the 2. How we will take a base? 4 is equal to 2 into 2. How we will write this? 2 raised to power 2. 2 will come 2 times. That means 2 is raised to power 2. Now that means 4 power minus 3, that is equal to, that is always equal to 4 is equal 4. We will write 2 into 2. 2 into 2 power minus 3, and 2 will come 2 times. That how we will write? 2 raised to power 2 into minus 3. Now power of a power, then what we will do? Multiply these power with together. 2 raised to power 2 into minus 3, that is equal to 2 raised to power minus 6. That is the answer. You have to mention these law. Which law you use, please mention in a brackets. Understand? Now let's come to the next example. Example 4th part first. Now simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Now we will solve these and write in exponential form. Firstly, we will solve these brackets. In bracket, base is the same and power is a different and sign is a division. Then which law we will use? Second one, that is the same. A raised to power m divide a raised to power n, that is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Then what we will do? 2 raised to power 5 minus 8, like that. We will write like that. Now subtract this, that is equal to 2 raised to power minus 3 power 5 into 2 raised to power minus 5. Now again, which rule we will use? A raised to power m raised to power n. Then what we will do? Multiply these two powers. Then what we will get? 2 minus 3 into 5 into 2 raised to power minus 5, that is equal to 2 raised to power minus 15 into 2 raised to power minus 5. Now first law, a raised to power m into a raised to power n, that is equal to a raised to power m plus n. That means 2 raised to power minus 5 plus minus 15, 2 raised to power minus 15 minus 5, that is equal to 2 raised to power minus 20. Now to make this a positive, 1 by 2 raised to power 20 is the answer. Understand? Now second part. Second one is a minus 4 raised to power minus 3 into 5 raised to power minus 3 into minus 5 raised to power minus 3. One more law, that is the power is the same and base is a different. What we will write? We will combine these base and power will take only 1. Now what we will do? We will multiply these base together and take a 1 power. How we will write? Minus 4 into 5 into minus 5 power minus 3. Multiply these with together. What we will get? That is 100. Minus into minus plus. That means the 100 raised to power minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 100 raised to power 3. That is answer. Now next one is a 1 by 8 into 3 raised to power minus 3. Now we will expand these like that. 2 raised to power minus 3, we will write 8 like 2 raised to power 3, that is always equal to 8 na. We will write like that. Okay. Now what we will do? We will take this upward. Now नीचे पॉजिटिव है, ऊपर जाके क्या हो जाएगी? नेगेटिव हो जाएगी. दैट मीन्स दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 रेज टू पावर माइनस 3 इंटू 3 रेज टू पावर माइनस 3. अगेन सेम लॉ, a raised to power m into b raised to power m. Then what we will do? ab power m. Similarly 2 into 3 raised to power minus 3, that is equal to 6 raised to power minus 3. How to make it a positive? 1 by 6 raised to power 3. Similarly same as it is. Understand? Same example, same. Minus 3 raised to power 4 into 5 by 3 raised to power 4. होल पावर 4, दैट मीन्स सेपरेट करोगे तो पावर भी क्या होगी? सेम होएगी. वन मोर लो. वट वी विल राइट? वी विल राइट माइनस 3 लाइक दैट, माइनस 1 इंटू 3 रेज टू पावर 4 एंड सेपरेट दीज. एंड वट वी विल डू नाउ इन दैट a into b raised to power m, that means the power is we will separate these base with the power. Now same as it is, in that this is a given and we will make this. How we will make? Minus 1 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 4 into same as it is. What we will do? 3 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power cut, minus 4 raised to power 4, negative power even. That means this answer is came in a positive. That means what we will left? What is left? That is a 5 raised to power 4 is answer. Understand? Example 5th, find m so that this minus 3 raised to power m plus 1 into minus 3 raised to power 5 is equal to minus 3 raised to power 7. What we will do? Firstly, on the left hand side we will use the law. First law, a raised to power m into a raised to power n, that is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Now in that base is a minus 3 and power will be add, that is equal to minus 3 raised to power m plus 6, that is equal to this. Now in that both side power has the same base and difference from 1 and minus 1. So exponent must be equal. What we will do? Base is the same, then power will be equal. Minus m plus 6 is equal to 7. Now how we will find the value of m? That is equal to 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. Understand? Now let's come to the second example or sixth example. Find the value of this 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2. 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2. That means by this law a by b raised to power m is always equal to a raised to power m and b raised to power m. Understand? Now separate these power with a different base, that is equal to 2 raised to power minus 2 divided by 3 raised to power minus 2. Now to make this power positive, we will reciprocal this term. For make this positive, it will come in a denominator, and for make this positive, it will come in a numerator. Now expand these, that means 3 will come 2 times and 2 will come 2 times, then multiply 9 by 4 answer. Understand? Now simplify this. 1 by 3 minus 2 power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to power minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2. What we will do? Let's come now. How we will solve? Firstly, we will solve these brackets. What we will do? In that same law, a by b raised to power m, that is equal to a raised to power m and b raised to power m. We will use that law, that is equal to 1 raised to power minus 2 and 3 raised to power minus 2. Similarly, same law use here. What we will do? That is equal to 1 raised to power minus 3 and 2 raised to power minus 3. Similarly, same law we will use here. 1 raised to power minus 2 and 4 raised to power minus 2. Now to make this a positive, reciprocal of these power number, to make one positive, that is on a reciprocal is on a denominator. To make this positive, that number will come on a denominator. Minus same as it is 2 power 3 divided by 1 power 3. Similarly, same as it is, to make this positive, that is on a upward, and then positive. In general, what we say, if we have to given a by b raised to power negative, then how to make it positive? Reciprocal these, b by a raised to power m. Simple logic we will use here. Understand? Now what we will do? Expand these, that means open these terms. 1 raised to power 2, that is always 1. 1 raised to power 3, that is always 1. Similarly, 1 raised to power 2, that is always 1. Then how we will write? 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2 divide, that is equal to 4 into 4. Now that is equal to 9 minus 4 divide by 16, that is equal to 9 minus 4 here. Here 2 will come 3 times. Understand? That means that here it's a 8. Now that is equal to 1 divide 16, that is equal to 1 by 16 is the answer. Understand? Now next one is a 5 by 8 raised to power minus 7 into 8 by 5 raised to power minus 5. What we will do? We will separate these terms. These exponent 5 raised to power minus 7 and 8 raised to power also minus 7. Law of exponent. This law of exponent we will use. A by b raised to power m, that is equal to a raised to power m and b raised to power m. Now again this. Now what we will do? We will take this 5 in the denominator of this. What we will do? 5 raised to power minus 7. This 5 raised to power minus 5 is, let us take here 5 raised to power minus 5 into 8 raised to power minus 5 divided by 8 raised to power minus. But now which law we will use? That is a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m, that is equal, a raised to power n, that is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Now this law we will use, that is a 5 raised to power minus 7 minus of minus 5 into same as it is 8 raised to power minus 5 minus of minus 7. Understand? Now solve this and we will get at this 5 raised to power minus 2 into 8 raised to power 2. Now for make this a positive denominator of the reciprocal of this term, that is equal to this, solve this and answer is this. Now you have to solve exercise first 12.1 on your fair copy with the help of example, and you have to, which law you will use, you have to mention in a bracket.